Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day to all of you. So today I will be presenting our research topic, which is guardians' responsibility for the welfare of children in marriage, a study according to Islamic law. As an introduction, the study focuses on the Islamic legal concept of guardianship in marriage, specifically regarding child welfare. It highlights the role of guardians in ensuring the protection of children's rights and well-being before and during marriage, emphasizing this alignment with Maqasid al-Sharia principle. This is the problem statement. As child marriage remains a contentious issue in Muslim society, while Islamic law permits child marriage under the guardianship system, abuses and harm can occur when guardian prioritize personal interests or cultural norms over the welfare of the child. So this arrangement can lead to violation of rights, which neglecting the mental, physical, and emotional readiness of the children, healthy and psychological issues, for example, physical harm during pregnancy or childbirth, as well as psychological trauma from marital responsibilities, socio-economic concerns, for example, loss of education and economic opportunities for underage brides. So the research underscored the urgent need for mechanisms to prevent misuse of guardianship powers, ensuring decisions align with Islamic values of justice and compassion. The objective of this research are to explore the concept and responsibility of guardianship in Islamic law concerning child marriages, to analyze the welfare considerations for children in marriage, and to examine the role of Islamic legal principles and government authority in safeguarding child welfare in marital arrangements. So what is the role of guardianship in child marriages under Islamic law? Guardianship, or known as al-wilayah in Islamic law, give the guardian the authority to act in the best interest of the child. So this role includes decision-making power, ijbar, conditions for guardianship, and role of wali mujbir. So the decision-making power, it means that the guardianship are entrusted to make decisions on behalf of the minor, for example, choosing a suitable spouse. For ijbar, this principle allows a guardian to arrange marriages without the child's explicit consent, provided the decision ensures the child's welfare. Conditions for guardianship: the guardian must be fair, intelligent, and act in the child's best interest. So negligence or abuse of this power, such as marrying a child to unsuitable spouse, is forbidden under the Islamic law. The wali mujbir, which is the father or the grandfather, has a significant discretion, but it is expected to prioritize the child's well-being. So how do Islamic law ensure the welfare of children in marriage? Islamic law incorporates several principles to ensure child welfare. This includes Maqasid al-Sharia, dowry, which is the mahar, physical readiness, mental maturity, and also judicial oversight. What measures are in place to prevent harm to children in marriage? Islamic law and modern legal frameworks have instituted several safeguards. For example, it requires judicial approval. In many Muslim majority countries, including Malaysia, child marriages require approval from Sharia judges. Judges must assess, among others, physical and mental readiness suitable of the prospective spouse, and also adequacy of dowry. The government also play a role where they implement policies to restrict child marriages under the principle of Siyasat al-Sharia. For instance, Malaysia had set minimum marriage age 18 for males and 16 for females, and mandates judicial oversight for exceptions. Other than that, we have legal safeguards where guardians cannot abuse their authority, and the decision must prioritize the child's well-being. Marriage contracts lacking critical safeguards such as adequacy of dowry or the bride's readiness are invalid. Maqasid al-Sharia is where we base our decisions on. Research methodology and legal framework for this research, it employs qualitative content analysis, examine Islamic legal texts, scholarly writing, and other relevance documents. It is based on the theoretical frameworks of Maqasid al-Sharia. The recommendations for this research are: number one, guardian responsibility. Guardians must prioritize the welfare of the children, adhering to Islamic principles that emphasize fairness and justice. Number two, government oversight. Authorities should implement stricter guidelines for child marriages to ensure compliance with Maqasid al-Sharia. And lastly is awareness and education, where we should increase awareness of the conditions and responsibilities related to child marriages among guardians and also the public. As a conclusion, Islamic law had grants guardians the authority to arrange child marriages under strict conditions to ensure child welfare. Sharia judges serve as an additional safeguard to prevent harms, reflecting a comprehensive approach to protecting children in marriage within the Islamic legal framework. This dual oversight underscores the importance of balancing guardians' rights with welfare and protection of children. That's all from us. If you would like to know more about it, you can go and read our article. Thank you.